Hi, I'm Shane from Admin Arsenal. Let's go ahead and discuss filters. Filters for collections and for reports so that you can get the information you want out of PDQ inventory. We're going to start off by creating a dynamic collection. A static collection is where you actually tell the collection, I want these computers in here. Dynamic, you actually have to specify the criteria that any computer that's to be a member has to meet. So let's call this one Firefox. It's an easy one to go into. And I've got a real big delay on my keyboard here. Okay, Firefox. Firefox installed. So we're not going to use for an application the computer table. We're going to actually go up to the application table under the filter column. And once you do that, you're going to see the other columns in that table, the application table, that are appropriate for the applications. We want name. Now you have your bunch of comparisons here. Common one is contains, but if you can, narrow it down. For Firefox, I like to do starts with, and we'll do Mozilla Firefox. Now, how do you know, or how did I know that it would be Mozilla Firefox? Well, remember, you've scanned your computers, you have a cheat sheet. Go out to your computers and just grab one that might have Firefox and see how it's reported. Firefox. And you can see, let me just type in that. And that's how it's reported. And notice we didn't want to do an equals because notice how they also throw, by they, Mozilla, they throw the version in there. We don't want that. So that's why it starts with works, Mozilla Firefox. All right, so now we can see all the machines that have Firefox installed. What about those machines that don't have it installed? I'm going to right click on the Firefox collection. I'm going to duplicate it. So I have two collections. I will just throw this one. I'm going to drag and drop that underneath Firefox installed just for organizational purposes. We'll call this one Firefox not installed. Now, when you're doing a not installed for an application, it's a little counterintuitive. Instead of saying the application name starts with Mozilla Firefox, we're going to keep that. But you see this subgroup up here. This says all. It means all of those value filters below have to pass when you have all. We're going to change that to not any so that none of these can pass. We only have one, so not any and not all would be the same in this case. So by not any, application name starts with Firefox is what you want. And then these are the computers that don't have Firefox installed. Perfect. And we're going to go into the next video, show you a little bit more how to track versions and introduce variables. That'll help you out quite a bit. All right, we'll see you in the next video.